So I just got off the Akihabara station here in Tokyo, and this is like the technology hub of Tokyo. You can find all the latest devices and gadgets that you can't find anywhere else in this world. And I came early. I came here about 8 o'clock, and once I got here, there was like a huge line right behind me, as you can see right there. And there's also lines all the way back there that stretches all the way down the street. There's probably something big going on. But like I said before, in Tokyo, people are willing to wait. Like in the morning, stores open pretty late. I'd say about 10 o'clock, and usually people stand in line at 8 o'clock. They wait 2 hours for the store to open. So they're very patient. I'm really liking this area. There's a lot of like animated characters on the buildings, and it just makes this like environment, this area right here, so fun and like laid back. But I came here too early. Everything's open up like around 10 o'clock, so I cannot get my drone until then. But back when I went to Japan 2013, I think this is the first electronics store I went to. And it's massive. It's like 10 floors just full of crazy things. Found a drone. It's on sale. It used to be 60,000 yen, now it's 56,000 yen. I might get the DJI Spark. I've been saving up for a few months. This place is just ridiculous. This is only one floor, but it stretches so far. It's just ridiculous. It's just like rows and rows of rows of technology, and this is a row of just like mouses, and it stretches on and on and on. That's why I always say Japan is overwhelming, because the streets are just busy and so many things to do, and even shopping is just crazy. Like, look at all these outlets. Like, they have so many options. Like, it just makes it more difficult. Sometimes I just really don't understand. There are just thousands of different brands of this blank disc.
Velvet, I want that sugar sweet. Don't let nobody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be.
And rows of piano, and more piano, more piano, more piano. Oh my god. All these guitars for all you musicians there. Japan has everything. Oh, look at this. You've got to be kidding me, right? These are just fans. Oh, I think you guys get the point already. Oh my god, look at all these fans. The other place ran out of drones. That's why I am here. Hopefully I can find a drone. If not, I gotta try another place. But I might not even buy a drone. I might buy a Nintendo Switch. I've always wanted one of those. Jordan, you would love this. And it's just endless. I know my friend Jordan will love these. He loves collectibles. For all you Star Wars fanatics out there, you can get a Stormtrooper for the price of, I don't know. It's pretty cool. Oh, for 50 bucks, you get 2 of the Stormtroopers. Pretty dope, pretty dope. And look at these mini ones. Ooh. Pretty cool. With all the Stormtroopers right behind them. Oh, this is so cool. Pillows to dolls. What else can we get? Baby toys. I mean, this totally will kill Toys R Us if it ever came to America. Whoa, what is that? Hello, kitty. It's pretty cool. You get the Hello Kitty right there too. Store has so much toys in it and electronics that if they were to open in the US, Toys R Us would be dead. Well, actually, Toys R Us is dead. But yeah, they would totally kill Toys R Us right now. This is also ridiculous. This is just like one floor dedicated to all the lenses and camera gear you can find, from tripods to backpacks to this humongous ass lens. Guys, I think I found my new lens. This could fit in my backpack, right? And I was trying to determine if the horse was real or not. If you look closely, it looks pretty legit. But since we're in Akihabara, the technology hub of Tokyo, this is actually fake. It's actually a mechanical horse. When I get older in life, I better have friends like this. This is squad goals right here. Shinjuku right now. Probably gonna go get a bite to eat real quick, and then later on I'm meeting Connor and Lily. They are my co-workers I met during training in Nagoya. He's living in Tokyo, and I think Connor's living in Shinagawa, but he is here today, so we're gonna go meet up with them. There's nothing better than a beautiful sunset in downtown Tokyo. Like, this is unreal. So at the moment, I am meeting Lily and Connor, and look at those cute dogs. They're so adorable. UK wants to go to a British pub. I hate it too. I blacked out here, so, but let's go. Alright, so we are in, that guy interrupted the vlog. So we are in Shinjuku right now. We just went to a restaurant, got some beers. Now we're gonna go to another restaurant. What's your name?
Thomas. Yeah.
Yeah. What is nice about Tokyo is even if a restaurant's packed, it's overbooked, and you can't find a seat or you're waiting too long, just take a couple of steps down the block and you'll find something else. Like, there are restaurants in every nook and cranny of this city, so it isn't too hard. So it took us 30 seconds to walk from one restaurant that had no seating to another restaurant, so it ain't that bad. And let's see.
Okay.
Okay.
Okonomiyaki.
Okay. Yeah. All right. My shoes really smell. And look at this. So shoes off and just sit anywhere. I will sit down inside. Ooh, get to cook our own food. After being turned down for a couple restaurants. I think this is the one.
とじゃあ例えばじゃあとりあえずじゃあ3つ頼んでその後やるでもいい別に問題ないと思いますじゃあ
So right now we are having okonomiyaki, and basically I think it's just crepe that has egg inside with scallions and a type of meat that you want. And basically we are cooking it for our table. So I didn't want to do it because I don't know how to cook okonomiyaki, but these professionals right behind me are doing it for me. So how grateful I am to have them right by my side. So it's pretty nice.
ちょっと1個やってもらうと難しい。はい。最初3つ振りしてどのぐらい大丈夫です。
Look at that. We got some toast right here.
で、なんか青種だっけ？あ、ごめんなさい。これが煮えてくる。It makes a bubble.
Bubble?
Yeah, it's there's a bubble. No. What's it? It's boiled and bubble. Make. てか今やってる。まだ固まってなくね？じゃあやめとこう。なんで？Okay. Finish.
Okay. Oh, better. And before you eat, you say itadakimasu. Let's eat.
ガンバター焼きと買ってもう作ったお店は作ったそれとも作るんですかね。
This is amazing. Oh yeah.
Want to get some photos, Kenny?
That's awesome. Wow, he really let us see the spots. For sure. All right, well, the day in Tokyo is officially over. Gotta head back home. Thank you guys. It's nice seeing Connor, everybody. We had a really great dinner and a great experience tonight. So thank you guys for that. Anything you guys want to say?
Yeah. Good luck in Vietnam, and I hope you have a nice time. And make sure not to get in trouble. He's a troublemaker.
ベトナム楽しんで。じゃあね。
Alright, some Japanese I don't understand, but we'll translate later. So, if you guys like the content, if you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my page. But right now, I'm going to sign out. But thank you for watching another episode of Warning All Borders. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye.